Hey everyone! Ever wondered what happens when you type a web address into your browser? Let's dive into the world of web servers. Simply put, a web server is a computer that stores, processes, and delivers web pages to users. Think of it as a library, but instead of books, it has digital content like websites and applications. When you request a web page by entering a URL, your browser sends a message to the web server asking for that page. This message is known as an HTTP request. The server then processes the request and sends back the desired content, which your browser displays. There are mainly two types of web servers, static and dynamic. A static web server sends the files as they are, without any modifications. It's like borrowing a book from the library as is. On the other hand, a dynamic web server processes the content before sending it to you. It's like asking a librarian to compile specific chapters from different books into one for you. Popular web servers include Apache, Nginx, and Microsoft's IUS. These servers have different features and performance levels, making them suitable for various needs. For instance, Apache is known for its flexibility and wide adoption. Nginx is praised for its high performance and low resource consumption. Web servers also play a crucial role in website security and performance. They can handle encryption, manage traffic, and even block malicious requests. So, the next time you browse the internet, remember the powerful web servers working behind the scenes to bring your favorite sites to life. I hope this gives you a clear understanding of what web servers are and why they're essential. Thanks for watching and happy browsing. See you in the next video.